today. Except Mohammed has worked on it, but apart from that, nobody has given me any assignments.
I did the but I haven't mailed.
Oh, okay. Okay, Tarun, I'll wait for your assignment. I mean, you can just consolidate and send it by next assignment. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So today we'll start with the next chapter. I mean the same control statements. So we are going with do while loop, break, continue, and we will do some more concepts of if and while and for loop. We'll just have a glimpse of it again, so that we can have hold on the control statements, because there are some people who haven't done their C and C++ also. So for them, I'll make them understand what is if, what is for, and what is while again today, so that from tomorrow we can go with the new chapter. So, as yesterday we discussed what is while. So, in a while, it executes that loop where we give a condition in the while loop, which states that if the condition is true, then that whole while loop will be executed. In the do while, coming to the do while, you will be having a do condition as well as a while condition simultaneously. Okay. Mm. So, you're able to see my screen, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So in this do while, it is like we'll have a do statement. In the do statement, whatever system output you give, it prints it off without any condition checking. Even if it is true, even if the condition is false, this system output whatever we want, the logic is done. The logic will be executed. And then we have immediate while, where we give some conditions and we do the output. So this do while is something related to a mandatory thing. Do is a mandatory one which gets executed every time, and then while will be executed once in a time. Like if the logic is correct, then only this while get executed. If it is false, this while doesn't execute. So in this type, what we can do is we will write a program where it says do in do's we print a system output, giving that there are some integers and we have to print from 1 to 5. Then what I will do is in the do while I'll print a statement where it says print 1 always, like 1 1 1, and then print 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. So at that time, what happens is you get. So in while you're printing the statement, this do statement is always printed out exactly what we want. So if I write in that system output print I, then it goes on printing I whatever it is there, and I do a I plus plus here. So I will execute a int I is equal to 0. So if for the first stage the int is I is assigned as 0 value, and coming to the do loop, what it prints 0 first, and then it enters into the while loop. It checks 0 is less than 5, true. Then it prints again a SOP which is I again. So I have 0 less than 5, it prints 0. It printed 0 already here once, and then 0 is again printed here. Then so 2 times 0 will be there. So in the output, you get first 0 and then next 0 and then I plus plus it is 1. So again it goes back to 1 less than 5, but not to do loop. But if you write this whole code inside the while loop, then this do loop is executed more number of times. You're getting it right? So if you want here, the number would be like 0, 0, and if it is 1, again it goes back to the while loop 1 less than 5. But if I say this do loop does not end here, and if it is ending it here, which means do while are in the same configuration, then it prints 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, like that till it reaches 5 or 4. Can anyone tell me where does it stops, whether it stops at 5 or 4?
Four.
Yes, so it stops at 4. So this is the output you get. But if I remove this SOP, then I get only one print, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I won't be getting double. Okay. So this is the do while thing, and I already informed you what is break, right? So to break any statement, we use break. So if you are into the program, and if you want to break at a point, as we have done it for switch case, right? In switch case, if you want to print only one system output, then break it, then only you get 1 day, or else you get complete Wednesday to Saturday. So that is how this break is used. And continue is a keyword which is used to continue the program, even if the output, it won't print the output, it just go back to the condition where it started. So for example, if I say it here, I'm starting a while loop. In that while loop, I have introduced a if loop, and I have given continue in this program. So how does this logic work is, I have initiated I as 0. So first, coming to the while loop, it check whether I is less than 10. So 0 is less than 10. It is true. So it gets into the logic. It checks this if condition. 0 is equal to 4. It's false, right? So it won't enter into this block of code, and it prints directly system out print, which is of 0. So the output would look like 0, and then you get the next will be, we are checking for 1. 1 is less than 10. Yes, true. So it gets into that. And then if 1 is equal to 4, false. So it doesn't go for if. It comes out and prints 1, and takes I plus plus, which is 2. 2 less than 10, true. But 2 is equal to 4, false. So it prints again, come out to the thing, system out dot print 2, and then 3. I plus plus is equal to 3. So 3 less than 10, true. 3 is equal to 4, false. So it just goes out and print 3. Now we have the chance for 4. 3 plus plus, it is 4. It goes and check 4 is less than 10, true. 4 is equal to 4, true. Then it enters into the block and it does I plus plus. What is I plus plus? 4 plus plus is, anyone? 4 plus plus is equal to
Five.
5. So we have the next block as continue. So now I is equal to 5. Remember that point. So now it says continue. So it get backs to this code which flower base is starting. No, so it get backs to that code, which means this thing, this line. So if you just see, it is highlighting. This is in red color. This is in red color, which means this is the code where it goes back. So continue. It goes back to if condition. So here already we have implemented. So it is 5. 5 is equal to 4, which is false. So it comes out and say system out print I. Now I is 5, so it prints 5. And then you get 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 will not be there because 10 less than 10 is false. You're getting it? So only when it is 4, this if logic to make this if logic work, we need to have I is equal to 4. So when I is equal to 4, then it goes into the block and it does I plus plus, which is equal to 5. And then it goes for the keyword continue. When it is saying continue, it get back to the logic where it has started. So it has started at 4. So it get back to that logic and says I, which is 5. 5 is equal to 4, false. Hence, the outside of the logic is not printed. So we are not going to print 4. Any doubts in continue or break or do while? So,
No, my question is while writing program,
sorry,
ready. Just give example for this.
Tarun, I am not getting your voice, Tarun.
Just give any example program, madam, based on this do while and
Yes,
continue and
yes,
break.
I start that. I will give you that. I just want to know if you are good with the logic. We'll do the programming part now. So we'll go with the continue program first. So if you just go with this program, okay. So this is my main block, right? So in that main block itself, I will write the code. So this is my main block. This flower base to this flower base is my main block. So in that only I will write. I'll be writing the code. Okay. So this is my class, main class. I mean, you can write any name of this class, but this name and this name has to match. So guys, I just want to mention this point. Please note it down as an important point. When you're writing a class name, you have to make sure that you're saving this file with the same class name. Then only your job will run. So here we have written it as main. You can even write it as anything which you require, but this name and this name should match when you're saving it. Okay. So today I will show you how can you actually run your code in your local system. That we will go for it. First, we'll just check on the simple logics and then we'll go ahead. So in this while logic, as I told you, we have to check on the output now. So if you just see, I got it as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is missed out, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. You're able to see it, right? So 0 to 9 is printed where 4 is missed because of this keyword continue. So I will add a do while also here. do, and this whole program is into. Okay. So I have just added do, and then whole program is into while. So we will just run this program. Is there any extras? Flower base.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. So here do system dot out dot println. So yes, now clear.
Hmm, just a second.
Ma'am, here two increment is there, right? So actually,
Only one increment is enough actually.
yes, ma'am. Yes, one is enough.
Yeah, one is enough. No, no, there is something missing here. Okay, okay. So in do while, that is what we can't write the logic in while. While cannot be having a braces. While has to end with the condition. That's it. So we do this while this is happening. So if even if this condition is false first or not, but this do for the first time it runs, and then for the second time it goes back to the do again. Okay. So if you just see, we got it as 0. I mean, the first when we are initiating it, the number is 0. Because 0 is less equal to 4, this is happening, and we are printing 0 here. I actually can print here I also plus I directly. Just to have this continue part, we have done this. Okay, let me remove this and put it here directly as I. Hmm. So here now in this do while, first we are printing, first we are checking this condition, and then we are printing what number is that. Okay, and we are doing incremented also, and then it goes for the while loop. It checks whether it is less than or less than 10 or not. You're getting it now, guys. So do will end it here, and it goes for while, and then go back to do again. So if the while condition is false, then only it comes out of the do loop. You're getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you can just try this program with some more courses. Here I have introduced this concept of printing. So if you just see, this is a static print which I want. So I have put them in double quotation, and I have added plus of the variable which I've already declared. So if you want another variable like string, so string y is equal to 5. Then I will add here as plus y. So for each and every part, I've got it as high to the end. So if you want add space, then add plus blank space. Okay. So then it prints space for me. Okay. So whatever you want to system out, you can do this way. So I'm giving it in the chat box. You can paste it anywhere. You can save it and then start working it. Okay. Uh, the next part, what we can do is do while is over, continue is over. And in the same block, if I say if I is equal to 5, let me break it. Before breaking, let me system out. Okay.
24th line system dot out.
Hmm. So till my break, I got the values. Even the 4 is also running. Okay, we will have it as 7 so that even you will be getting the difference also. So 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 5. If 3 is printed, then 4 is skipped because of this continue, and 5, 6. After 7, we broke the whole chain. So do while is completely broken with the statement break. Okay. So this is the example for break, continue, and do while. Okay. So we'll just try with the local system. Uh, Let me share you my complete screen. So here I'll write a program. We'll write a simple program with the name simple itself. My enter doesn't work actually. My main. So in my main, I'll just print it as simple. Okay. And I have to save this file as the name which is of class. So I'll create a new folder here. So I will save the file name as simple because I have given the class name as simple. So I will save this file name as simple with actually Java need to be there. So I will write .java here itself. Okay. So I'll go back to my path. You're able to see my screen, right? So I will write CMD here. So guys, when you're writing the CMDR, when you're entering into the command prompt file, see that the path of this file and the path of your file is same. Okay. So as of now, I got my path as Java programs. I'm into the same folder. So now I'll try to compile my Java file, which I've already created. So to compile it, I'll write simple dot Java. So my simple.java must have been created. Sorry, it got opened. And then to execute, okay. It's not getting created. Mm,
Actually, we have to paste the path, I think so, ma'am.
the path is correct only. Java, C Java programs.
Actually, so we saved the extension Java, right? So it like a C drive, and after that some path is there, right?
No,
So
no.
once if you're
In, yeah, I am into the same path. That is what I was telling. Now, when I'm into the command prompt, I have to see that this path is same. Maybe the extension is not giving it that access to execute it.
Madam, you have not compiled, I think so, madam. Java C space simple dot Java.
it will work out, I think.
First thing is to compile, then to run the program.
I have compiled it, right? Simple Java. I have compiled it that, but class has not been created for that. If you just see, I couldn't get my class here. But if you try compiling, if you have the JDK in your system, what happens is
Yes, ma'am.
when you compile it, no, after this Java file, you will be able to find this Java class file. Simple.class karke, you will be having a file name created in the same folder. Okay. Is anybody having Java program in their system? I mean JDK.
Yes, I have, ma'am. I have.
It is Tarun? No, Rajesh. Who is it?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah,
Yes,
Rajesh.
Rajesh.
I have installed.
I'll do. If you have, can you open it so that I'll guide you how to do that? Let me give you the host access also so that you can share your screen now.
Actually, I logged in my mobile phone, so I need to connect laptop.
Uh, okay, will it take time?
Yes, I need to. Only 1 minute, ma'am. So I'm just
Okay, you take the time. Meanwhile, I'll just go with the flow once again. So I'll just explain the concepts. Meanwhile, you just take your time and let me know once you're done.
Madam, want to show that code, madam, in Notepad what you have written right now.
Simple program,
Yeah, madam. Want to show us.
compiler program.
have to do what I have to do, ma'am. Now, yes, I need to write in a simple program in Notepad itself. How to
Yeah, I will, I will tell you. Once you log into your laptop through Google Meet, let me know. You can go on mute now, Rajesh. Log into your laptop, log into your Gmail account, and then log into the Meet. I mean, get into a Meet section, and then I'll explain you what to do. So, Tarun, as you asked, this is the program, right? You want to see?
Yeah, madam, once I want to look into the program. No, madam, just now, the simple program which you have
Okay.
wrote in the notepad.
Actually, simple program is not having any issue because I've just had a system out thing only. Okay. So meanwhile, we'll just discuss about if else and everything again. So can anyone explain me what is the if condition? Guys, uh, if it is a volunteer one, it would be better. Else I'll have to take the name. Yes, Tarun, do you want to take a chance?
Right now, I don't have idea, madam. I can do that, but I
What is
can't
if?
express right now.
What is if and what is else? What are their syntax? Just tell me what is the syntax.
If of we write the condition, madam, where I equal 0, I less than or equal to some number, till where we want to look, and then increment operator I press yes.
Okay.
Then
Okay.
after that, first code block is if you don't want to review that, that means if that is false, then else part will exit. That's it.
Uh-huh. Fine. And whom we can get into touch again now? Madhavi? Hi, Madhavi.
Hi, ma'am.
Okay. Madhavi, is this your first class?
Ma'am.
Okay.
No.
Okay, fine. Tell me what is while? What is the syntax of while? Yes, Madhavi, while syntax ఏంటో చెప్పమ్మా. Okay. Anyone else? Kalpana? Raju. Kalpana Raju?
Madam, I just now connected to meet madam.
Okay, Tarun. Okay, I'm making you the host. Tarun, either in your laptop or phone, decrease the volume completely. Or else you can just log out from the phone. Tarun, you
Madam, now it is clear.
yes, it's clear. So, and I mean, to the bottom of your screen, you will be having a screen share option. Present now, करके you will be having one option.
Yeah, yes.
Click that. Your
Entire
entire
screen,
screen.
madam.
Yeah, your entire screen, and you'll be able to see a screen. Right? Click on the screen. It gets highlighted, and then you click share. Yes. Yeah. Now open a notepad.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm giving you in chat box. Okay. I pinged you the code in the chat box. Just check.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. You want me to type that code?
Okay. You want to type? Then type public all smalls, PUBLIC public, space, class, space, simple, capital S, IMPL is simple, flower base is on, and then public space, static space, void space, main, string, capital S, yes, square braces, ARGS, close, start the flower braces, capital S, system dot out dot println, simple program, close it, yeah. File save as, go to C folder,
Madam, you want me to save in C folder or directly in desktop?
C folder, go to C folder, because we'll create a new folder itself, because you every time you have to check your class files in that. So go to your C folder and create a folder, new folder, create a new folder, Java programs or something, whatever you want. Mm-hmm. Open. While saving it, click down the specifications you have. Do you have Java? No. Okay, take it as all files. Simple.java. Maybe even you're not having Java, I suppose.
Ma'am,
Okay,
shall I
save.
save right now?
Yeah, save it.
Yes, I did, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, we'll just check Tarun's. If it is not happening, then I'll go with Rajesh. Go to that folder. CMD. Hmm? Simple.java. Capital S,
Yes, ma'am.
capital S dot simple dot. Enter. Hmm, public class simple. It is capital S only, no?
Yes, madam, but it is redirected to the notepad, madam, where we wrote
Notepad
the code.
itself. That is what. There is some mistake, I suppose. That is the reason it's opening. So no, there is no mistake.
Program is correct only, ma'am.
Yeah, program is correct. Actually, you will be having a Java extension, Tarun. When you scroll down, when you try to save it, you will be finding a Java extension as you are finding .txt. So you can save it directly into .java.
Let's try saving in desktop, madam. We may get that all files format.
You try doing it in the backend. Let Rajesh give a try now.
Okay, madam. Shall I start?
Yeah, you stop the sharing. Rajesh, you can start the sharing. Rajesh, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I'm doing it.
Yeah.
So actually, so I written this notepad. Hello.
Yes, Rajesh, continue.
Yes, ma'am. This is a word is a class name, and I see. Hello.
String need to be capital S, and that is not flower braces, it is square braces.
Okay.
Square, I mean, yeah,
Yeah.
ox,
Right.
right? And capital S, right? System is also capital S.
System of this is a capital only, right?
Okay, okay. No, I'm not
Cap-
able to see it. Yeah.
okay, capital. System dot out dot println. So hello world. So I printed this word.
Yes, yes.
And
Fine. Just file save as
save
drop down your extensions,
all files.
all files only. Okay, take dot Java.
Already saved.
Okay, go to your command prompt.
And
C dot desktop.
C, C colon, right?
Yeah, C colon backslash. It's capital C, right?
After that, ma'am,
Have you gone into that desktop? Capital D E S K P O T. This
okay.
T O P. Sorry.
TOP top. Enter.
Hmm.
Is not again an internal external command after batch file.
CD space
Yes, yes. CD space Java.
CD space give the path. CD
CD
space desktop.
yes.
CD space space desktop. Capital D.
So for
Okay.
suppose
Now you give CD space and the whole path. CD C colon backslash and all.
CD colon
No, no,
backslash.
no, 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 Rajesh. CD space
Okay.
and then C
CD space and then C. Capital C, small c.
colon small c. Okay. See, the C should be same as the C which is in the starting. So it should be capital C only. Colon backslash desktop. That is why if you go to the, I mean, library, no, it takes you to the path directly. It's better. You just go to the library
So
and to your desktop and go to that path. No, 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 Rajesh. Go to the top. You
say
have print CMD there. CMD.
CMD na.
No, Rajesh. Go to desktop. Go to desktop.
Okay.
Go to that path.
Word, right? Word.
No, no, no. Don't open anything. Just go to the path. Top of the screen, you have the path. No, this PC. There. There. Type CMD. Click on it. CMD. Enter. So it got your desktop path now.
Yes.
Yes.
OneDrive.
Now you do word.java. WORD, whatever you saved.
It came like a path.
Okay. Just go back to your desktop. See whether a class is printed, class is formed or not.
Desktop.
Yeah, in your desktop. No, class is not there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It won't work. Okay, try doing it again. Word dot class. Find word dot class. Java word dot class.
Word dot
Class.
Java. First Java, ma'am.
Yeah.
Java space
Java space word dot class. Enter.
No, like we couldn't find the load main class voucher
Okay, so it didn't create. The word clause, a word dot class didn't get created.
saying like that, and this case that is not find.
Ye-
Just now I seen one video on how to run the program in a 1 second.
Madam, you are trying to tell that without comparing, without running, directly in one step you will get the output, right, madam? That is what you wanted to say, right?
Sorry, I didn't get you, Tarun. Your voice is very low.
Madam, you want to say about that without comparing and without running, in one step we'll get the output. You want to show that, madam?
Uh, did you get me what I said? I was on mute for the whole time. Okay, so I said during my compilation, I will do simple.java in the first step. So after going to my path, I will do simple.java. At that time, my program will get executed. I mean, sorry, it will be compiled. So during my compilation, if I have any errors, it will show me in the notepad. It will direct me to the notepad. Then I have to check it there manually. And then once everything is done, then after that it will create a simple dot class in the folder where we created simple dot java. And after that, when I'm trying when class is created, then I can execute directly here stating it as java space simple dot class. It will give me the execution and it print the output on this command prompt. So this is what I'm trying to tell you, Tarun.
Madam, I entered Java, say simple dot and Java, madam, and I got the output in one single step.
So you are doing it with Java itself. The class is not needed now, right?
Yeah,
Then
madam, in one step I got, madam. That's why,
what is the I mean output you got?
yeah, that simple program, madam, what we have written in 600
Okay,
out dot.
okay, that's good. Can you just share it once?
Yeah, madam, sure.
Yeah. Rajesh, please stop your sharing now. May Tarun will just have a screen shared.
Madam,
Yes, Tarun. Yeah, please go ahead. Okay, see, your class file is also created here. Open your program. Open your simple program. Okay. So just go back to your command prompt. I mean, delete your class file. Okay. Now go to command. Okay. Okay, directly you got it and just go back. See, I just want to show here the step as like first to compile, you have to print simple.java. Then you can see that your class file is created. Okay, just go back to your
okay.
folder and refresh it.
Which folder, madam?
The back folder. You're able to see the library, right? No, no, let it be. Refresh this. Refresh this. No, no. Here you have towards your right side. You have you there beside search. Yes, that is refresh button.
No, madam,
Oh,
it's not getting.
yeah, it takes time to create. I mean, even previously you have created it, right? So class folder has been created there.
Yes, yes. I got two times fail, madam. At the third step, I got the output.
Hmm.
Madam, shall I run again to show how class file is created?
Yes, yes. Simple dot java, the class file will be created. Just go back now. Just check whether it is created or not.
Here, class file is not created, madam, right now.
Okay.
Madam, now created, madam.
Um, so that is how it is executing. So if you can, this can be used similarly in IDK also. So as of now, you can use directly in your text file and compile in your system to get the output. Compile and execute. Okay.
Okay.
Is there any doubt? Okay. Thank you, Tarun. Thank you for that.
Okay. Shall I
So,
stop?
yeah, yeah, you can stop it now. So this is how you compile the programs in your local system. Uh, so try to get this done. You can just practice on yourself, or else if you can even use your online compilers where you can just compile the programs there. Okay. Tomorrow we'll start with the Java oops concepts and all. So just be on time tomorrow. Thank you everyone for today. Have a great day. Good night.
Good night.